It's here for story that me can say. Mamuni Akwaba Eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So Mamuni Akwaba Eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So it's here for I see a link here, aka General Mosquito. In some hour can there. Someone watch a video the title no anything na more hano. Now some other channels and subscribe. Now click notification bell on so MIN. Mr. subscribe and now click notification bell on this one. My message actually send ya obey your screen so see that's all. Okay. Hey Ghana Edo. Oh Ghana there. Okay, therefore enti asem ne sa I say don't get here. Or advice NDC imba no. It's all show now your NDC. We are banana NDC near Mr. I see you don't get ya say MPP Mbema no ebe simu kwa mama mfini. I see MPP Mbema no ebe simu kwa mama mfini. Omo banana wo se omo pemu na omo pese omo ware mo a I see you don't get ya say mama mfini. O se mama mfini na de esi ne se emma no mo peme ema MPP Mbema no ware mo a mo wo ba mo mba no ombe di papa nechi senia Ghana yenim se obi wo a mostly na ya ka se ne mba no efree baby a papa ne free nti na natural nti mo wo ba mo mba no ebedi papa nechi nti mo wo ba mo mba no nya ba beda ne MPP agbe a wo ba no ye NDC ni etiefo ose wo hwemu tetetetete a ene ne strategy a wo hwa MPP fo no omo make ye na wo hwe obi te se na Akufo Addo a obi a ofri sa strategy nim ne papa omo sheda ema ne papa ware MPP ni nti omo wo na Akufo Addo no omo wo ne to MPP mu nti no na afei ono na Akufo Addo de onima ne MPP fi ne papa ye MPP ni ne mame so ye MPP ni nti de onima ne MPP ene afei na obeka se obekọ eye baby foforo wa hwe senia ema enkrofo Ghana ha say o hwe yeni na ya sumbia no obi a oye Kristoni obi a oye inkremoni no o sha most of the people no ye wo mutumu nti most of a Christopher no bo say ne mama ye Kristoni ne papa so ye Kristoni te ye wo sa ni pane sa na ono no the only man say Christianity is the right way kremoni no so sa obo say ne mama ye kremoni ne papa ye kremoni nti ye wo ne sa na ono so the only man say kremono ene the right way nti no NDC mba no mompinima NDC mbema na nware mo tene sanu mo wo mba na de omunima ne NDC we ni asema asiedu nketia oka we ni asema asiedu nketia aka tre eye NDC mba no na me read the article way from Ghana Web. Say the General Secretary of the Opposition NDC National Democratic Congress Johnson Asiedu Nketia has appealed to the women's wing of the party to encourage their members to marry among themselves. This Mr. Asiedu Nketia, popularly known as General Mosquito, said will produce children who will grow to support NDC like some members of the New Patriotic Party did in the past. It's here for Ntosha asema Asiedu Nketia eka no Mr. Obi pese me bisa asemba akon nti no esan say NDC ana Asiedu Nketia mo omo pe political power nti oye oba na o NDC na bia wenya boy bia open asempa chese o feeling the power pese o ware na ono every MPP na Asiedu Nketia pese o ka say omo political power no mo peninti no wo sacrifice o happiness na chese obema na open no free MPP no menko peno na kope bia obi foforo NDC a probably on pen to say the wo MPP no we me asema Asiedu Nketia kana me no make say asem we no kan then in a way no he's just trying to be selfish obo say na political party pena omo person mo gain they are not thinking about omo members no more happiness so to make asem be say that means you are not thinking about your members no omo nije onjo omo nije ho o political party na wo nije no na wo dwen ho na yenchi aso according to Asiedu Nketia, President Akufo Addo grew up supporting the MPP because his late father married an MPP woman. It's here for not as the Akufo Addo and a higher point of reference for how. So share Akufo Addo pa ne papa eware eye MPP ba Intia Akufo-Addo so obeda ne MPP no. Now to also say we shouldn't allow MPP men to come and marry NDC women, because if that happens, the men will force the children to become MPP supporters. Now I said Ketiaka said we shouldn't allow her. Me person maybe say what's right do they have as a party to not allow or to prevent MPP men from marrying NDC women, if indeed the NDC women want to marry the MPP men? It's here for into those about NDC and actually say, oh, the right, I'm almost say, I'm choose to be able to cry. As I see you doing it, I can let you for na kakra, a yemen na. Into no to me, I can be after when I say, can't or comment box in the same way there. A yemen na kakra. Hey, Mr. Johnson, I see you doing it here. We know, can. Now, as I say, if you look at Akufo-Addo's history, his father, uncle, and grandfather are all part of the Big Six. What happened was they allowed their relatives to marry each other, so it was difficult for Akufo-Addo to defect. Also, share a year Akufo-Addo ne busuemu a ubehun say Akufo-Addo ne papa ne wafa ene Akufo-Addo na ne grandfather omunia no mo kan a year Big Six ne ho. Osha no muni omo ka Big Six Akufo-Addo ankasa ne papa ne JB Dankwamo ene we abeka say yes no muni omo ka eye Big Six ne ho. Now say die emma ne ba asa ne say Akufo-Addo mu no omo pene ye emma omo ware omo ho. Intia na emma Akufo-Addo no when free MPP mu no. He said otune ni ko left a MPP, otune ni ko ne wafa ho a MPP, otune ni ko ne grandfather ho a MPP, otune ni ko ne mame ho a MPP. Just otune ni ko de bia MPP nti ono de na onim obi a owo NDC mu nti no obi ntumi influence ne so be she NDC. Nti no we ni asema General Mosquito Eka. Now I say, but with the NDC, we have allowed MPP people to marry our women, and now all the children have become MPP people. Ahana mentia se no media asema ase dun ketiaka no. He has a point in his own way. He has a point, but when he starts to say or shall I say oyusu words be to say we have allowed hona ya mentia se no. Say obeyisu words be to say oh, we have allowed not just say ya pele so ama NDC ana MPP mbema be ware NDC mba so ka say ya pele so na na mentia say o ka say ya pele so no ono no right ben no wa obeka so me pele so ana me pele so it's here for me nim say the make no moti ase a me the point na o make no yes to him no it makes sense to ono no it makes sense but say obeka and we have allowed MPP men to marry NDC women. We shouldn't allow that. Like, and then I meant here, and what's right does Asiedun Ketia have say, oh, Obi wa NDC, and I made me a general secretary, you know, MPP ni be warina, men penny. It's for the make an Samotia Asia. Now, Otiaso say, so let's promote our women to marry NDC members, so at least all our children will become NDC members. The NDC General Secretary said when he addressed women's wing of the party over the weekend. Not to say over the weekends, no. NDC Mbano omushiemu ena Asiedun Ketia ko ya trese oni omo eko kasaye. Me no ena na me can say Asiedun Ketia no, he has his own points there. And me feel say nanka okoye no koka say, oh, this is a suggestion from me. Okoka bibisa nanka no I will not have problem with the statement, no, but once I started say oh you so words be to say we have allowed and we shouldn't allow, and no na mentia say because obi our party mu yes our party mu obetumi ato abama on nyama but control ni ba ne life ono na ode ne pebe share party mu open so obe film ono na ode ne pe e na o say ni nije ana we nya enije ewo NDC be MPP be ma bi mu no person ware no and yes to me ka say we shouldn't allow because enya wo we nije e ono ni nije etie for say dey make an moti ase e ma me dia but montre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo montre mo adwen wo comment box mo asem we na General Mosquito General Asiedu Nketia Oka. Into no chewa join our comment box ni mo. Medase.